each question, there'll be a wing and they get progressively hotter.
You ready for some hot ones, Tanya?
Yes.
Are you good with spice?
No.
Not great.
Pretty good. We'll find out.
I am not good with spice.
I'm Scandinavian.
Cheers.
We're gonna do agree, disagree signs.
I love Taj Mahal. Agree? Oh, you do like Taj Mahal.
It's easy to sell.
We have some audience commentary. It sounds like for the most part was a no.
The CFO is smarter than the CEO.
Joan does my performance reviews, so there's my answer, guys.
OG edges are back. Disagree. Okay. Oh, agree right here.
Not in the Midwest yet, anyway.
Not in the Midwest. Where are you guys from? California. OG edges are back in California. Coming to the Midwest maybe later
I know,
on.
in like 2 years.
You
let's
never
hope.
know.
There are park machines in operations that are 30 years old, yes or no?
Yeah, there is one customer in St. Cloud that has a park machine that's over 50 years old and is still functioning.
We have multiple park machines that we've ran for decades, so definitely agree.
Number 3 is a pickled garlic sriracha.
It's a lot of things.
I'm still doing okay.
What are you doing?
I'm checking for sweat. I can't quite hide it up here.
Can I have some of the cheese?
This one is really hot at the end. I regret taking 2 bites.
And the question was about being US made, right?
Correct, yeah. I don't know.
USA made, you can count on that it's quality and that there's passion and pride that goes into building these machines.
We have customer service in St. Cloud, Minnesota. We have manufacturing in St. Cloud, Minnesota. We can walk out to the floor and ask our engineers, our shop floor folks questions.
Having everybody in the same spot, I think lends to a lot better quality.
Number 7, the Hawaiian hot teas Pog squared.
There's a flaming ghost on it, so that's reassuring.
That's so hot.
It doesn't go away.
Why should every stone professional consider Park Industries for their next machine?
Park will be a lifelong partner.
We don't view it as the conclusion of a transaction, but the beginning of a relationship, and we are absolutely passionate and committed about the experience that you have with us.
Every time we get a machine from Park, we're 100% happy with the customer service, and it just makes us want to come back to buy all of our machines there.
Like, seriously.
I didn't think it was bad. I think I'm doing something wrong.
I don't know. Can I just sit up here and eat them now?